Hello, 8th graders. This is Mrs. Carbajal here. I wanted to show you what your interactive math whiteboard should look like. So you should have received this small little packet from the school when you picked up your textbook. If you did not receive it, I'll go ahead and upload the document so you can print at home if possible. Notice how I have it in just a simple little sheet protector. So when we use this in class, you'll have a graphing grid on one side, a blank side on the other, and there's a bunch of pages in here that you could use as a resource throughout the year. So today I want to actually turn your attention to the back page. 8th graders should have received this back page. I ripped it off already, and I took a moment here and I colored the back side terribly, but that's okay. So for my purposes, for my class, I would like you guys to color the first row blue, and then the next row pink, and then the next row green, and then the last row orange, okay? And they don't have to be these exact colors, but something within those color families would be very helpful, okay? At this point, it doesn't matter if you stay inside the line because we're gonna cut these out. So I'm gonna hit pause in just a moment here, and you're gonna see that I've cut them out. And really, I do want to take my time here to make sure I don't cut too much or too little. And I would highly recommend saving this bottom piece in case you make a mistake. You could redraw it and use this as kind of your scratch paper. And there you have it. I have them nice and cut out. I tried to take my time here. When I paused, it took me in total about 5 minutes to color and cut these out. So please keep that in mind. If you're going to use them for class, you do need to give yourself at least 5 minutes to take care of this before class. And I would highly recommend taking them and just scooping them inside, maybe like a little Ziploc bag so we don't lose them. I know we're at home. We might have little siblings or pets that might get a hold of them. So these are going to be really important for us to use for the next couple weeks in our transformation unit. So please go ahead and put these in a very safe spot. And once again, you may want to save this little extra piece here in case you make any mistakes within this unit. Okay, take care.